Hi everyone, I'm John Lloyd and today I will be sharing my reflection on the three videos about modern greenhouse farming or protected cultivation. Protected cultivation is a method where crops are grown in a controlled environment to improve quality and productivity. After watching the videos, I realized how advanced and different modern agriculture is compared to traditional farming. In the first video about greenhouse bell pepper farming, what really stood out to me was how organized and clean the setup was. The plants were arranged in rows, and instead of soil, they were grown using controlled systems like drip irrigation. I also noticed that each plant is supported by strings, which helps them grow properly and prevents damage. What I found impressive is how everything is monitored, from water to nutrients, so the plants grow uniformly. And personally, I felt amazed because it shows how farmers can now control plant growth and reduce risks like pests and bad weather. In the second video about paprika farming, I noticed that it was quite similar to bell pepper production, but it showed even more precision and large scale operation. The greenhouse looked very high tech, and the plants were growing very healthy and evenly. It made me realize that this system is not just for small farms, but can also be used in large commercial production. What struck me the most is how efficient the system is, less waste of water and more consistent output. However, I also thought that this kind of technology might be expensive, which could be a challenge for farmers who don't have enough capa- capacity to produce. Then the third video is about rose farming was very interesting because it focused on flowers instead of vegetables. I noticed that roses are grown carefully to maintain their quality, especially since they are for commercial use. The greenhouse helps protect them and ensure they grow beautifully and consistently. What I like here is how delicate and process is. It's not just about growing plants but also about meeting market standards. Like size and appearance, it made me realize that protected cultivation is not for food but also for ornamental plants and business purposes. Overall, watching these videos made me feel impressed and inspired. I learned that farming today is no longer just manual labor. It involves technology, planning, and precision. The greenhouse structure plays a very important role because it allows the control over temperature, light, and water, which leads to better production. And at the same time, I also reflected that while this method is very effective, it may be not accessible to all farmers due to its cost. Thank you.